instruct us to pray for guidance in all of our concerns, just as He would teach us a surah from the Quran. How? He would say, if any of you intends to undertake a matter, then let him pray 2 voluntary units, 2 rak'ahs, nafila, of prayer, and after which he should supplicate. Okay, what does that mean? It means that if I have a choice between buying a blue car or a red car, I don't pray istikhara. I have to do my due diligence, go for a blue car, for example, and make my decision to buy that car, and totally ignore and neglect the second option. Now I'm determined to buy the blue car. Now I'm determined to marry a particular woman. I had 3-4 potential choices. Now I am decided to take that job offer and not the other one. Khalas, I've got my mind made up. Then I have to do the following. Pray 2 rak'ahs, voluntary, not fard, not mandatory, something that is voluntary. So does a sunnah prayer work? Yeah, it works. There's no problem in that. Then what should I say? Then I should say the dua. Okay, when would I say the dua, Sheikh? Because you've said that Ibn Taymiyyah says we have to say the dua before the salam and the dhikr after the salam. This is dua. So should we say it before the salam? If you do it before the salam, this is valid. However, Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen and other scholars, they say that the wording of the hadith indicates that you should say it after. ثُمَّ لْيَقُولْ. So this means that it's after the 2 rak'ahs are over. Okay, Sheikh, should I raise my hands or not? There's no problem in raising your hands. It's highly recommended to raise your hands when making dua. And this is what Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen also says. So what is the dua?
قال جابر بن عبد الله رضي الله عنهما كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يعلمنا الاستخارة في الأمور كلها كما يعلمنا السورة من القرآن. يقول: إذا هم أحدكم بالأمر فليركع ركعتين من غير الفريضة ثم ليقل: اللهم إني أستخيرك بعلمك وأستقدرك بقدرتك وأسألك من فضلك العظيم فإنك تقدر ولا أقدر وتعلم ولا أعلم وأنت علام الغيوب. اللهم إن كنت تعلم أن هذا الأمر ويسمي حاجته خير لي في ديني ومعاشي وعاقبة أمري، أو قال عاجله وآجله، فاقدره لي ويسره لي ثم بارك لي فيه. وإن كنت تعلم أن هذا الأمر شر لي في ديني ومعاشي وعاقبة أمري، أو قال عاجله وآجله، فاصرفه عني واصرفني عنه واقدر لي الخير حيث كان ثم أرضني به.
O Allah, I seek your counsel. By your knowledge and by your power I seek strength, and I ask you from your immense favor, for verily you are able while I am not, and verily you know while I do not, and you are the knower of the unseen. Again, attributing all these attributes of perfection to Allah Azza wa Jal, with His knowledge, with His ability, with everything. Oh Allah, this is what I want. If you know this affair and you call and you name it, and here he mentions his need. So if you know that buying the blue car or marrying so and so or accepting the offer of a particular company to be good for me in relation to my religion, my life, and end, that means the hereafter, then decree and facilitate it for me and bless me with it. And if you know this affair and you name it again, to be ill for me towards my religion, my life and end, then remove it from me and remove me from it, and decree for me what is good, wherever it be, and make me satisfied with such. And this is very important. The essence of making this dua is for Allah to choose. But Allah will choose either way. You're asking Allah to make you content, to make you satisfied with whatever choice Allah had made for you.